Good morning students, welcome to our today's online session. How are you all? Last class we were discussing about how to write formal invitation cards and letters. Today we are going to discuss how to write informal invitation letters. If you have already studied formal invitation letter, how to write, what are the things that you have to keep in your mind when you are writing a formal invitation letter, it will be easy for you to understand the format of informal invitation card or informal invitation letter because it is almost same. Okay, informal invitation letter, just to recall, what you have to do, you have to draw a box. Then first thing will be the name of the host, then words of invitation, then occasion, then day, date and venue for this occasion, then RSVP, contact address and contact number, close the box. That was the invitation card format in formal letter. Informal invitation. And the rules I told you that you have to remember, it should be written in simple present tense. Then it should be written in third person. And there shouldn't be any abbreviation. So there is a slight change in this rule alone. The rest of the things are same in informal invitation card too. In informal invitation card, again you have to enclose the whole thing in a box. Then the first thing that you will be writing will be the name of the host. Below that you will be writing the word of invitation. Again in the third line you will write the occasion for which this invitation is prepared. Fourth line, again day, date and venue of this occasion. If there is any chief guest name after that, then RSVP, contact address, contact number. The same just like the formal invitation card. The only difference is there in the other rule which we discussed. In formal invitation card, you are supposed to use third person. In informal invitation card, you will be using first person or second person, I, you, we, etc. We, Mr. and Mrs. Bhatia, invite you. This is the format. So that is the only difference between formal invitation card and informal invitation card. The person that you are using will be first person or second person. In formal invitation card, we used third person. Now when it comes in the invitation letters, in the case of invitation letter, it's just like any informal letter. Sender's address, date, you need not write receiver's address, you need not write subject. That's what I said, just like an informal letter. So informal invitation, that also should be written in first person or second person, not ever in third person. So sender's address, date, then salutation. Most of the time we can use a salutation dear, D-E-A-R, dear, and the content, the occasion, date, venue, whatever we are supposed to write in the card, all those things should come in that content. Then subscription, yours sincerely. Then the name of the person who is inviting. The sender's name and address. Name is enough, address is not required. So this is how you have to write an informal invitation. So remember, there is not much difference between formal and informal invitation. The language that you are using is the same. The thing is, you are supposed to use third person in formal invitation and first or second person in informal invitation Whether it is a card or a letter, the same rule goes. I believe you understood how to write a informal invitation card and informal invitation letter. When it is card, just like formal invitation, name of the host, word of invitation, occasion, day, date and venue, RSVP towards the margin side, left hand side, contact address, contact number, close the box. Write in first person or second person. Don't include unnecessary details. Stick to the word limit, 50 words, not exceeding 50 words. When it is informal invitation letter, sender's address, date, avoid a receiver's address, avoid a subject, salutation, you can use dear, content, include who is inviting, what is the occasion, day, date and venue of the occasion, all these things should be there in the content. Then subscription, there you can use yours sincerely. Then the sender's name. Oh, very easy. And you will get 4 marks. 1 mark for the format, 1.5 mark for the content and 1.5 marks for the expression that you are using in the language, in the invitation letter. But remember, don't exceed word limit. It's a waste of time. No one is going to give you extra marks for writing too much. So avoid unnecessary details in this invitation card and invitation letter. In our next class, we will learn how to write replies for these invitation cards and letter, formal and informal. So today, take down the notes attached. Examples are given there. Take down it and file it for future reference. Attend the test itself and send your answer to the Gmail ID given over there. Till we meet in our next session, take care. Goodbye.